a fine little mist all over my hair. Oh my god, it makes your hair smell so good. I don't wash my face anymore, but I am a mess. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm keeping it old school and I'm doing a classic favorites videos. Now, back in the day when I first started YouTube, I started YouTube years ago. Back in the day, I used to upload favorites videos religiously. Like every single month, I had a new favorites video out. I just feel like they're not that popular anymore. Like YouTubers don't really do monthly favorites anymore, but I love them, especially if it's a YouTuber that I really trust their opinion on everything. Like I will go out and buy everything that they recommend. So I love favorites videos and I really do take pride in everything I recommend. I will never ever recommend to you guys something that I wouldn't go out and like buy with my own money, or I wouldn't recommend to my own sister. So I went around in my makeup collection in my bathroom and I just like piled up all the stuff that I've been loving recently, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. As always, I keep all the products linked in the description box for y'all. And also, if you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the Kavari crew. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into today's video. So the first product I have right here, this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil, and this is in the shade number 4. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know I swear by the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm a brow pencil type of girl. I'm not really into the pomade, powder. Like, I just love me a classic, thin, skinny pencil. I never would have thought in a million years that I would prefer something over my Anastasia brow pencil, and I still love that pencil to death, but I can't believe I'm saying this, but I like this one more. Like, Benefit came through with their brow products. I feel like back in the day, it used to be Anastasia Beverly Hills kind of held a monopoly, I guess you would say, in the brow product game. Like Anastasia was just known for their brow products. Everybody was like all about the brow pomade and all that stuff. But I really feel like Benefit is now becoming a rival with ABH because their products are so bomb. I love this one. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Like Benefit's brow products are just so good. I love the wand of this one because it's so like, it kind of combs through your hair and like gives your hair so much texture. I love this pencil because of this shade. Now I feel like the Anastasia pencil was a little bit too warm toned for me. It worked when I had my natural light brown hair, but I feel like with my darker hair, I don't like my eyebrows to look really red, you know, red undertoned. That's why I love the shade of this one. It is that perfect neutral, cool toned brown. I don't even want to call it cool tone or warm tone. It's like that perfect neutral brown. I have it on my eyebrows right now, and you think Brow Wiz is skinny? Like, bitch, like this pencil is like ultra fine. You can create like the thinnest strokes with it. So, and the packaging is really cute and bougie, so I just have been loving this pencil this month. The next product I have to show you guys is from Benefit as well, and it is their Roller Lash Mascara. Now, I've talked about Roller Lash so many times in the past. This is my favorite mascara, hands down, but specifically the one in the brown shade. Now, I've never used brown mascara before, and I don't know why I didn't get into it sooner, but this is what I wear every single day. Like the days I'm not doing a full glam like this and I'm just rocking mascara, I am using brown mascara. Like I don't even use black mascara for an everyday makeup anymore. Brown mascara is just so much less harsh, and it really makes, like, if you're trying to do a no makeup look, girl, get brown mascara because it makes your lashes look long and full like mascara does, but your eyelashes are still brown, so it looks like you don't even have mascara on. Like, it's such a beautiful natural look, and especially with spring around the corner, like I'm definitely gonna be rocking a lot more like neutral makeup looks. So this is going to be my best friend, and I just love the wand. I feel like either you love the wand or you hate the wand, and for me, I love it. I love the curved design. It really does curl and grip like every lash, and this mascara is just my life. I've been using this brown shade every single day and I swear by it. So my next favorite is actually the lip color that I have on right now. So this was recently sent to me from Too Faced in PR, but this is in the shade Said Nudes. It's super funny, but you guys know I love a good pinky nude lipstick. I'm actually gonna touch it up a little bit. But this lip color is so perfect to me. Let me tell y'all, when I posted a, I just dropped it. When I posted a, this isn't the lipstick, oh my God. When I posted the, oh my God, I am a mess. Let me collect myself real quick. Oh my goodness. I posted a Instagram story wearing this lipstick and I got so many messages back like, Naz, what lipstick are you wearing? What lipstick? And then I posted what lipstick I was wearing. I posted like another story like the lipstick I'm wearing is so and so by Too Faced. And I still got so many messages still asking what the color I was wearing. I was like, why do I even try? So this one's in the shade Send Nudes, and all the lipsticks in the collection are like super like sexy, risque names. This lipstick is that perfect pinky peachy nude that I live for. Like literally, you guys, that's the only lipstick I wear. You guys know that. If you just go on my Instagram, I'm always wearing like a nude pinky lip, and this has become my favorite go-to nude lipstick. I'm wearing it right now, but keep in mind I do use a darker lip liner with it. I'm wearing the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle with it, so I have to make sure I wear a darker lip liner with it, and sometimes I even go in with a peachy gloss on top because sometimes it can look very light on me, but I'm just obsessed with it. It is that perfect creamy consistency. Like my lips never feel dry, and honestly it's so long lasting. Like I put this on like 2 hours prior to eating, and even after I ate, like I still had the lipstick on my lips. Like I looked in the mirror and I was with Triana and I'm like, oh my god, my lipstick is still on, and she's like, I noticed that, like that lipstick is bomb. So yeah, I really recommend this lipstick if you're looking for a new peachy nude. Like this shit is bomb, girl. Next thing I have to show you guys are Lillie Lashes in the style, these are in the style Miami, and the ones I'm wearing right now are in the style Monaco. Now Lillie Lashes were something I was into like years ago, because I feel like Lillie Lashes is like what kind of started the whole mink eyelash. Lillie Lashes was kind of like the queen of mink eyelashes, and I feel like that's how we all got into them, but they're just so expensive. Like each pair is like $29, no, they're like $30. Each pair is $30, which is crazy expensive. And I feel like since Lillie Lashes, there's been so many little like eyelash boutiques coming up on Instagram, so that's what I've been kind of getting into, like Feline Lashes, for example, Cocoa Lashes, stuff like that. So I haven't really been using Lillie Lashes lately, and Tina and Shelby came to visit Daisy, and their eyelashes looked so bomb, like both of them. So I asked both of them, like, what eyelashes do you have on? And they both said Lillie Lashes in Miami. And then the other day I was out with Carla, and her eyelashes looked bomb, and I was like, girl, what eyelashes are you wearing? And she was like, Lillie Lashes in Miami. And I'm like, damn, like let me get some Lillie Lashes in Miami, because everybody I see in them looks so bomb. So I ordered myself a pair, and I've been obsessed with them. Now they are pricey, but they will last you a long time. So make sure you guys keep the case and take really good care of them. I don't even put them in my eyelash holder. Like these expensive ass lashes go back in their packaging, and I just love them so much. They're so fluffy. They make you look so bomb. Whenever I wear Lillie Lashes, I get so many comments on what I'm wearing. So my favorite styles are Miami and Monaco. I can't believe I didn't use them. Like I used to use Lillie Lashes a lot back when I was like 16 and stuff, and then I got into other brands, and now I'm just back to the classics. Lillie Lashes always will have a special place in my heart. So that's it for all of my makeup favorites. Like everything I just showed you guys is stuff that I've been using religiously lately, and I cannot recommend them enough. But next up, I have 2 skincare products to show you guys, and part of me feels like I should have shown this first. I don't know why I didn't. This baby right here, this has been my life. Like I birthed this product, okay? Like this product, I wish this came into my life sooner. You know those products that you know, meet and you come in contact with and you're like, this is my soulmate. Like, where have you been all my life? This is it right here. This is Bioderma, and this is the Sensible H2O makeup removing micelle solution. So it's like a micellar water, and I know Bioderma is a really big skincare brand over in France, so I'm not sure where you can find Bioderma in stores in the US. Like I purchased this online and I actually got this sent to me, but now I repurchased it online, but I'm not sure if you can buy this in store anywhere in the US. But let me tell you guys, like this micellar water has changed the game for my skin. I don't wash my face anymore. And before you're like, girl, that's disgusting. Like, I don't mean by like, I don't wash my face anymore. I still cleanse my face, but I don't use water like from the sink. I only use this expensive ass, bougie ass water. And that's because I see such a big difference in my skin. Ever since I moved to LA, I talked to you guys about this, but ever since I moved to LA, I feel like everything has just been really dry. My face has been really dry. My hair has been really dry. Like, it's just, the water here is just really different than back home in Ohio. This is what I use to rinse my face in the morning. Like I take a cotton pad and I soak it with Bioderma and I just wipe it all over my face, and my face feels so clean, but it doesn't feel tight. Now it doesn't feel tight and dry, and I don't know about you guys, but after I wash my face gets really red. Like it's inevitable. If I'm removing makeup, if I'm washing my face gets red. But that's why I love using Bioderma, because my face doesn't get red and dry and patchy, especially if I'm like taking off my makeup and like a friend is over, or like mellows over. Like I hate washing my face and then like someone seeing me because my face looks super red and patchy, and it's like, it doesn't look like that. It just looks like that because I just washed my face. Like I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Like after you wash your face just gets so red and patchy. But that's why I love using this. It's so gentle on my skin. I just noticed such a big difference in the complexion of my skin. Like my skin just looks more even toned. It has a pretty glow. I don't feel like after I wash my face, you know, like I need a pound of moisturizer to make my skin feel good. Like this is just my secret. Like see, I've used so much of it already and it is my life. I use it twice a day, and anytime I need to pick me up, like after I work out or something, I just soak a cotton ball and just swipe this all over my face, and it just gets rid of all the makeup, all the dirt, without making my skin feel super dry. I feel like I've reached the ultimate level of bougie. Like I don't even want to wash my face with tap water anymore. But even in the shower, I used to wash my face in the shower, and then I was reading this magazine article and it was saying to not wash your face in the shower, and I'm like, why? It makes sense. Like you're killing two birds with one stone. But then I read, it's like, think about how hot your shower water is in comparison to the water that you would have used if you were washing your face in the sink. And after I read that, I'm like, oh, because I take really hot showers, and I'm like, I was washing my face in like boiling hot water, and then I wonder why when I step out of the shower my skin feels tight and red and all that stuff. So I stopped washing my face in the shower. My next favorite is this, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Oh my god. I think it's pronounced, I used to call it Ole Henriksen, but I Love Sarahi like works with them a lot, and she says Ulla. She says like Ulla Henriksen. So I'm gonna trust her opinion and call it Ulla Henriksen. But it is this Banana Bright eye cream, and this eye cream, you guys, is so bomb. Daisy put me onto it because she uses this eye cream, and I tried it when I was over at her house, and I'm like, this stuff is amazing. Like, where has this been all my life? Last year, I really got into eye creams. Like, I used to never use eye creams before, and now that I started using it, I noticed such a big difference in my skin, in my makeup. Like, think about it, guys. You're putting moisturizer everywhere, all over your face, but you're not putting it under the delicate skin under your eyes. Like, think about how thin this skin is down here. And if you're applying concealer and baking powder and all that stuff, like, you need moisture there, you know? That's why sometimes people's under eyes look so dry and cracked because they're not using eye cream. So I've been loving this eye cream. It has a yellow tint to it. So even on my no makeup days, like honestly, you guys, if I'm not filming a video or taking an Instagram picture, I am not wearing makeup. I'm wearing eye cream, moisturizer, and my brown mascara. But I love this because even if you're trying to do like a no makeup, the yellow tint kind of cancels out like the purpleness under your eyes, and it just like color corrects for you, and it's so cooling, so refreshing. I love using this in the morning because it kind of just like wakes me up and brightens up the like puffiness under my eyes. It's just overall a really amazing product. It is pricey, but a little goes a long way. So I have two favorites left, and both of them relate to hair. So my first favorite isn't a physical product. It is a treatment that I got done. So not too long ago, I got a Brazilian blowout done, and honestly, you guys, it has changed the game for me. It saves me so much time with styling my hair. Like, I washed my hair right before this video, and it took me 15 minutes to blow dry and straighten my hair. Like, girl, before the Brazilian blowout, my hair, to wash my hair, dry it, and straighten it, it would have taken me an hour and a half. Like, honestly, an hour and a half. With the Brazilian blowout, my hair just dries way straighter with no frizz. It is so amazing. I paid $150 for the treatment. If you just Google like Brazilian blowout treatment near me, you'll find a place that does it near you. But I just looked up on Google like Brazilian blowout treatment near me, and this was $150, and it just blessed my hair. Like, my hair has been so shiny. Here, I'll turn around for you guys. It's been so shiny, so silky. I wish I would have done this sooner. Like, I have like absolutely no frizz. It's amazing. So speaking of no frizz, another product that I've been loving is this Shine Mist. Oh, by the way, I only have had this Brazilian blowout in for like 2 weeks now. I can't talk about if it damaged my hair or anything because it's only been 2 weeks. So try it at your own risk. But so far, I have been loving my Brazilian blowout. I wish I would have done it sooner, and it just makes my life so much easier. Like, now I can shower and leave the house like without styling my hair and still have confidence that my hair looks good. Like, back in the day, if I wouldn't style my hair would be like this big, and it would be so frizzy, so poofy. I would be so jealous of the girls who could just wash their hair and their hair would just air dry so pretty. But now with the Brazilian blowout, like, my hair air dries so nice. So speaking of having silky hair, this is a product that I've been loving. This is the Dry Bars Sparkling Soda Shine Mist. Now I got my hair done at the dry bar for the first time. I got a blowout done and my hair looked so shiny. It looked so amazing. So I have a vlog about that. I'll link it down below if you guys haven't seen that yet. But the girl who did my hair used this shine mist. So Dry Bar also sells, the salon sells their own products. So this is the mist she used on my hair and it made my hair so silky and shiny. And I just love a good shine spray. So after I'm done styling my hair, don't use too much because your hair can get greasy, but I'll just like spray like a fine little mist all over my hair. Oh my god, it makes your hair smell so good. It makes your hair smell like a bougie, expensive salon. If you've ever been inside of the dry bar, this is what the product smells like. It just makes your hair feel so luxurious and so shiny. It is my secret weapon. Like after I'm done styling my hair, I spritz this all over my head and here. Like, just look at the shine. I really do recommend this if you like to wear your hair very straight. Hold up, pause. Speaking of the Brazilian blowout, if you're someone who likes volume in your hair, do not get the Brazilian blowout. I'm someone who likes my hair to be pin straight. Like, I don't want volume. I want my hair to be flat against my head. No hair sticking out. Like, messy hair isn't for me. Some girls can pull off the messy ponytail and the messy bun. I'm not about that life. I like the sleek hair. I like the sleek straight hair. I like the sleek ponytail, the sleek bun. That is my steez. So I like my hair to be super duper silky, and that's why I like the Brazilian blowout, because it literally just like flattens your hair. So if you're someone who likes volume in your hair, I wouldn't really recommend it, but again, I just love that sleek, shiny, pin straight hair. So yeah, that's it for today's favorites. Hold on, let me let this cop car pass. So that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. All products mentioned will be linked down below. If you decide to try anything out that I recommended, or if you've tried anything that I've recommended, let me know down below and let me know your thoughts. Let me know some of your favorite current products. I'd love to know. I'm always down to try new things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye everyone.